the VA Foreign Medical Program, race-free kidney test kits, and VA's data privacy. For the bottom line up front for all your VA info, I'm your host, VA producer, and infamous mousepad designer, Sean Spittler, and this is The Bluff. Are you a veteran living or traveling abroad with a service-connected disability? You could be eligible for medical services through VA's Foreign Medical Program, or FMP. Through the FMP, VA can pay for healthcare services, medications, and medical equipment to treat conditions related to a service-connected disability. VA also provides reimbursements through FMP for emergency care for treatment associated with a service-connected disability and recently the COVID-19 vaccination. To find out more about the VA Foreign Medical Program, head on over to benefits.va.gov. Click on the Special Groups tab and select Veterans Living Overseas. Kidney disease is a silent killer, but with early detection and treatment, kidney failure can be prevented and lives can be saved. Past math formulas required adjustments for race, but today's broadened understanding of race suggests benefits to using a race-free math formula instead. I can't get too much into the math, I'm a mousepad designer, not a mathematician. The requirement for all VA locations to be using the VA-approved 2021 race-free formula by April 1st, 2022 is in keeping with the VA Kidney Medicine Program's National Strategic Plan to improve the kidney health of all veterans. To learn more about this program, visit blogs.va.gov and search kidney disease. You've probably recently noticed major U.S. companies coming under scrutiny for privacy policies protecting against internal mishandling of consumers' digital information. The importance of data privacy isn't lost on VA. The VA website's privacy policy states that we only collect user information when necessary and when it is given explicitly by the individual. When personal information is provided and is necessary, such as when a veteran completes a benefits or health form, VA only collects relevant necessary information. Additionally, veteran information is handled by the minimum number of parties and is terminated when no longer needed. To read more about how VA respects your data privacy, visit oit.va.gov and look under the About Us tab. All right, that's your bottom line up front. We'll see you next time here on The Bluff.